Hello everyone, in this quick connect we will discuss about how to install Chrome browser in Ubuntu. So this is a virtual machine, Oracle VirtualBox image for Ubuntu, a Linux operating system. So where we are going to install Chrome browser from terminal. So to access terminal, here you can see terminal option and you can click on it. Now we need to enter into temporary folder cd/tmp. If you want to maximize, you can maximize the terminal like this. So I entered into temporary folder. So now let me just come back to the documentation which is available online to install the Chrome browser, the proper set of commands we need to execute. One is after entering into the temporary folder, we need to execute wget forwarded by this particular link. Fine, so I'm just going to copy the link and let me just go to terminal again. Inside the temporary folder, I am going to paste the command which I got from the online documentation. Wget https://dl google.com linux direct google chrome stable current amd64.deb. This is the command which we need to execute. It will take 30 seconds of time to execute. So we shall wait here. You can see the process 35, 38, 40% is it is going on here. So once it will be completed, we can go through the next command for installation process. Let's wait till that time. The job is done. 100% is the process has been completed. Now we have to execute the command for installation. So to execute the command for installation, we have to execute this command. Sudo apt install /google chrome stable current amd64 deb. So I'm just going to copy this command. Now we have to paste this command here. Now you can see things are getting executed here. Now again the process has been started and some unpackaging operations are going on. You can see the progress here 20%. We need to wait till the progress completion till 100%. You can see the progress till 80% here. Yes, the job is done. Now what shall we do in the next process? Let us go to this page and here we need to how we can start the Google Chrome. For that what we need to do is okay, so we can go to this place, so all application. Now we can see Chrome browser here. So if you want to open, you can directly open Chrome browser. Earlier it was not there before installation. And let me wait for some time. So here let us go for make Google Chrome as a default browser. I do not want to make it as a default browser. And okay, let me just click on OK. Yes, I can use Google Chrome now. Let me check whether the network is stable for this as well. I shall get yes. So my installation setup is done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it is useful for everyone.